what is one shake off on her again.
Nobody pick up no man, because remember say of me and you go eat.
I want to rat no, man.
Me all nearly drop a while ago. Pick no more, man. Take them up for me, no girl. Me have a sharing now. What do you? Can't move, so I don't like how you move, you know.
Pick one more, man. One more, I'm done. What's your right on over this, man?
When I don't pick them, I'll tell you something, girl. If a man he made a hat, me man.
What do you know? Boy, I'm to that big work with you, man. I don't want them what I want, you know. Sure.
Girl, I wish I could have climbed a tree, girl, because them just enough on the tree. So look them, man.
So what's your out one then? Because you have to be a big old husband. I can't compete to apple for your bush.
I'm saying gonna work, girl. You just left the grocery money and gone now.
So it look like you have a problem with that. But I don't understand. Where's choice?
Girl, you don't have no time for me, girl. You make sure everything alright in the house and so, you know. But otherwise, you just not have no time for me, no time. Can't bother with that, yeah, man. I'll step on you, so to girl, get up, car and see bite if you hands them there. You just done this hard before.
I'm telling you this morning, say you want some vitamin D. No? I see it for you. So you just hurt yourself. And your husband at work and pay things. You not have gas, you not have grocery up there and things.
Me have everything, girl, but the man does not have no time for me and to give me a migraine headache, girl, me I tell you.
You sure say you don't want money, one? Because this is sound right, it sound like you want an extra man.
Sometimes I think say more than go out there and do things, you know, girl, but I don't want to do them sitting there, you know, because I want a man for myself. I don't want to go out there go there with another man, so that's why, yo, it make me head hurt me, have me crazy, because I wonder, you know, if you have a woman out there with me, then there's something that lick up my brain.
Well, I'm not be the one to encourage you to leave your husband, you know. But this need counseling. Girl, you need counseling, your man, yeah. Make him know say you want more of him time and attention and more of the prick, man. So, girl, you sure say, you talk to him about it? Or are you miserable of yourself?
No, I'm not talk to him about it, you know, I don't know if you say God no. Well, see, no, the girl that come there now, no, and she know what business, so we tap it nice.
Talk about something different. Yeah. So, more and tomorrow the apple for go, I'm going to
come
with two ginger.
Come on now, we go picking now, cause...
Take up the stick now, man.
I'll tell you.
Can't bother with you.
I'm not going to walk off. I'm soon, you know. I'm not walk off like you never did that chat me. I know, you know. Nobody not chat nothing about you, girl. We just talk about we want apple day nice on the tree and so. You hate all the shit? Girl, come on, we think we have a more stuff.
She has me come on the gun.
After we come pick, girl, and you come go on like say nobody a chat to you.
Want some water now? Want to have some eat?
Nobody not chat to you, girl. Nobody have time for you, man. Well, I'm going to pick your apple, man. So I call babe for time to carry one party come give me. Babes, how are you there? You know someone buy one cheese patty go and give me? Yeah, when you come up you buy it, make me buy now. But I tell me say I go buy it and buy now. That me tell you if you buy one cheese patty. Cause me there I go and see me can. Well, me watch one show, On the laptop. Yes, who come? Alright. Remember now, buy one cheese patty, so I don't want you come here with no beef patty. Cause I know your man will love buy beef, you know. Alright. Watch ya? You left on your phone. One let me search it. Can you know something not trust him? Wait, let me pause the show. I don't trust the money and I just want to know when you're up to, you know. And if you don't get a call him by the way. I'm not even can pull it neither. Wait till he come here, see me, I watch him when pull it and open it. Can't open it, I don't want to go black, you know. Wait till he come. Alright. So
See me hot girl. Look on your foot and see me hot girl. How the one you go? Hot girl. Come here, man. What's China?
Oh, go on.
Where you go?
How you do around here?
No matter about that. How you hot up, sir? Where you go?
Around the road, me I go.
Yeah, look at man.
No, sir. I still like you.
Uno? Girl, my argument, you know. We been by Uno. Hey, nobody come ramp with me, you know, because long time we are friends now. Nobody come pass the place with me, here. Oh.
Friend, rich friend. I notice you. You only deal with me and talk to me when I black girl not there, so I want to know you stop me a while ago and come chat to me, come chat up to me, ask me when me go and nice up.
See, I think about black girl, I may have friend for a long time. I may grow up from grade 1 stage. Jada, me I deal with so. Berry, come like your head now good.
But you don't know me when you there around that female. I have that day when I go by apple tree.
Actually.
She a run her head.
Now stop take program from her, because I may grow from baby stage enough for now.
No, no, I chat me. I sit down every day upon my name.
Jada, everybody chat people. So we are try say. I got stop her the black girl now. Because from me, I got basic school, I used to know you. I have to stop follow for show. I got stop follow the black girl. Because I notice say, she don't like you. I stop follow her style and hate you too. Because I grow from little picnic days, enough. Oh.
Well, I not lying, I miss your company. But you take program from people.
I stop her back with me girl because you're full of style. I know you miss my company, you know. I miss you too. All you see me a party girl, you know. I don't want a friend from her. Actually, come man have money. I use my head. Anytime she go out, I use my head for her. She have to spend. Come to your girl.
Oh, so you love the sweets.
Let two away.
Alright, I come go down and shop. But by the way, where I go?
Hey! When me I go, look on the bag here. I wrote me I do. And girl, you look good, you know. But underestimate yourself, you know. The amount of money what we can make. I hear they have to use. Wine for the money, man, dig out the money. Girl, me catch you up. Later.
Alright.
take long to come, so.
Honey, yeah, man.
You're just along with the party.
Like me long on all these things. Remember saying, no, used to be is a place where enough people want to buy party.
Anyway, give me that at you. Thanks.
So I go on.
Go here, watch you and show ya.
Same show you watch?
Show.
So that if I hug me can't get her nothing.
That they show they done already, and that show me they watch.
Like you make me sound like I just,
You're not giving me no really attention no more.
No, baby, you have to understand this thing, say. Alright, listen. See? You have to understand, say. This is where I come here do. I have to provide for the whole entire household, meaning me and you. And when we do have a little picnic fee first. You understand? But you have to understand, say, not because me at work and me out. No means I'm happy for my mind. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand all of that, you know. You buy everything for your house, but I still need my time, mom, to my time.
No,
I can't get no time.
Come on. Nobody make it sound so. Nobody stick me up and feel like I'm not do what I'm supposed to do. Later on, when you get dressed, I'm going to bring it out. I'm just going to have some nice food. You see the work I do? Then my worker can make you have nice food. I don't want you to have nice food. You deserve the best.
Savage pie, me go.
What about that? That's a secret. Because you know the funniest thing about it? If I tell you where I go, you go and say, boy, I'm not feel for that and all these things. So you're going to have something I mean like. Alright?
Alright.
You good with that?
Yeah, I'm good with it.
You sure?
Just one more certain time I come back home, I get my time. That
Of course, you get the time. No worry about that.
watch her. Ashley! Cockaford! Now where me girl go? Come out of the car, man. Lock off the car.
I'm forward.
Watch your market, the girl driving. Watch your, one of them I'm want.
Me can't rub down my car, so mama.
One of them I'm want.
Nobody get too jealous and bad mind, no. No, don't do it out here.
I mean, your friend?
Me and your friend, but where you have, me can't rub down my car, so.
So you made that for now. I mean, I rub down my friend car and say I want this, my one.
Alright.
So you're going to for me and a friend, what kind of radio you talk about, girl?
Alright, cut long story short, now you come on.
Alright, I just come here to tell you, say, see you back here with my pack. I go for you 1 week, you know, girl.
So how you go? Make sure you send me money and make plans with you, know. Because, you know, me and your friend already, and you know, me not like when time my man there with my friend, you know. I know that already.
You know, say you don't believe in yourself, though. And me I talk to, when me have friends so close, pick up over tree and them something, you still asleep or you still awake? I don't understand, or you still asleep? Girl, I don't understand what you talk about. If more your man would have there with him a long time, so I'm full of style and pattern, what you talk about?
But if you still asleep, you know, so me right here sitting outside of my car. But anyway, where say I do?
Girl, I'm not telling you, two you move, I feel bad. I feel like I'm going to tell you which part I go. Because the way you mess, like me and a friend, you feel like I'm corrupt against a girl? You don't know your friend them. You don't know your friend them. But I'm going to tell you, say, I want 1 week, I'm going to go here first still. And I come to tell you, to share some rate you as a friend. I could have go here and make you know, you know. Come like you not take me as your friend, like come take you as my friend, girl.
I want to know where you really go. Because I not like that. I not like that talking there. You go tell me, say, you couldn't tell me where you are go. And you're not bother. What make you not bother, girl? You know, so me close like that. Nobody true me tell me you rub down my car a while ago, girl. That's so me scare me. Like, yo, no bother with that.
You see, anything you pray, you have to stop it. If you know a real friend. But me going to tell you something. Go in and go say make a look of money. Soon buy one of them markets here too, you know, my friend. But I feel like I'm already here and I'm bad man, you know. But I have to own one of them, yeah. Me not ask my friend, I have to own one. Because say I get too money from a man on the road. They know my style, watch a big bag. The most
Anything
I
I
go
say,
drop in that bag here. Later, my friend.
Anything I say,
Yeah,
I'm
me
the
girl.
bangles.
All right.
Short me now.
Yeah, man.
And I better go if you want to move to tush, you know. Alright. I don't trust Berry, you know. I wonder if a man she gonna go cool out with for a week. Most that girl, make sure move, so, you know. But she feel like she can't style me. She can't style Ashley, you know.
Mama, how go on? How you pass me so like? How you pass me so like you don't know me?
You know, say I rush me there and somebody beg me buy something for them. Me there on rush.
You just step on a rest though? What do you mean by you just step on a rest though, baby? What kind of move that is?
The person beg me buy this something so they in there on rush so me feel come back.
So this a person you have to just step on a rush so. What kind of rush? What do you mean by rush? Me rate you and me take care of you and all type of shit. Now you talk about you step on a rush, baby. I don't like the style of man. Because me I take care of you and everything and me rate you. I just a run so. Everybody sending you to the pan rush when we see you and talk to you. I spend money on you and everything because I rate you. Come over here so let me talk to you.
Still listen me there on rush.
What kind of rush you there on, babes?
Listen to me, not because you buy me food 1 and 2 times and give me little pocket money, means say me and you there.
So babes, say tell me truth, say you really take all my money and them things them. Me know say me in there, you know, but me rate you, me respect you.
Me not cut you in, but to you move and go and you behave like me and you there. Listen to me. Me know what you see me going in shop, you know, you literally go get special con, sit down and lay wait me to come back out.
Baby.
How you stay so?
I know how me stay. I rate me, respect, you not even rate you, I respect you. So me see you going in the shop.
You see, I left me did to give you a chance, me not bother give you no chance.
I just say badness said, if you want to give me a chance, I give me a chance, but I still rate you and still respect you. So I don't even watch nothing, I just go along because you know, one day your mind will change. Don't worry yourself, everything will go alright.
By the way, stop follow me, stop watch me, everywhere me go, you offer me.
Babes, I don't watch you, I rate you. And I just offer you because...
If me give you a chance, me will give you a chance. Stop watch me, man, later.
Worry yourself, man, everything good. You're going to see outcome. Babes, me I go call you. I'm serious, say me I'll call you. As me reach in, so answer I call. That's how it is.
Just take a time, man, and know the things, man. I just say things setting up. Doesn't mean?
Yeah, man.
Everybody around us have to make sure so we get money, you know. Man, anybody not give me nothing, man. You must say one day, nothing live over there.
Eh? I say you're going.
I mean, pass me a go on.
Say you move.
All the old boy up there so have a
General.
Where the pan you?
How they are going with the talk, you know? Where you beat Magnum?
You know where you going now.
The same thing, I'm Magnum, but yeah. But you know my style.
So where you move, sir, brother? You just run in, so you move, sir.
Where if you know pressure life, just step on me, answer.
Pressure life, brother. You can't live a Jamaica and have pressure life and get a problem, brother. When I'm on top, brother. You want to do something? You want to go do something?
How yourself?
No, my youth, you be tappy, you know, you be tappy.
Brother, you
tappy.
Brother, you just watch out, man, young people time, you know. Yes, me, I say.
You line up your work already?
Eh?
Thing line up, your work line up for later on?
Everything line up already, brother. I tell you, man, from say, me no need, from me tell you one time, me no need to tell you again, brother. You know that.
Alright.
You know that. Now make me tell you again.
That more here.
You understand? Brother, just them money. Them money, me grow them, you know. Hey.
One more there.
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, some know you from down saying, where do so far?
You know, sir, I want some live.
No, this a girl, brother.
What do you mean?
This a girl, brother. Everybody know this a girl.
Hey boy, shut your mouth. You know long you look me and show me no want you.
That a go on?
You the big belly boy, man.
Hey, what making get pain here, man? Nothing good.
Everybody you want.
My friend never like him, just kick it down up there right now. Deal with it, bro. I don't want.
Where's, hey, don't pay attention. Something you buy in the shop? Hmm? Yeah, what she want? Anything
Can
what
you
she
get one
want?
back of water, please?
Easy to general. I don't understand how you do.
Brother,
Thank you.
waste of time. Brother, nobody waste no time, brother. Waste of all this, brother. Nobody, watch on the man, everybody not that, brother. Nobody waste no time, sir.
Oh, the member say you not pay me yet, you know, you go and not pay me.
Oh, me a come, man. Me a come.
You might pay money, come on, here?
Hurry up,
You
brother.
not get paid yet.
Watch a man. So sorry about that, here?
Everything good, man.
Sorry about that, okay? You know that's a brother, I don't know what. You discover everything?
Yeah, man.
Alright, and you can take back what you want,
Brother,
yeah?
remember, say you don't want this skull and get upset, you know, brother. Hurry up, no, man.
Anyways.
This skull and get upset, brother. Come, no, man.
I'm sorry about my brethren, you know, because I don't know warm team, no man, dirty man, you know. I don't know, the team style is different. You understand me I say?
Yo,
I
brother,
dirty
hurry up,
dog
man.
that. You know how long him a look me, I don't want him.
Brother, hurry up, brother. His skull, no one get upset, brother. Come, no, man.
You know, say, you look like a one nice person, I like your personality.
Oh, thanks, man, thanks. You know what I mean? You look like a nice person too. You understand me?
Brother, come on, no, brother. Come on, no,
Yo, hold on, man. Hold on one second, man. Hold on. Alright, so hopefully I see you again, maybe down so and think.
Let me give him.
Alright. Now I'm gonna do something.
brother. I'm number already, brother. I can't give you.
That's easy, man.
What a boy like.
Look.
That's easy, man. That's easy.
Alright, then text me or call me.
Yeah, man, I'm thinking. Because you're one nice girl, I'm a rate of vibe. Here?
Alright.
So we talk, alright?
See you soon.
Cool. Respect.
Brother, you can't make your girl make you look like I eat that out there. Say I eat that, brother. Hello? Yo. Yeah. Yo, public, where there? Yo, where there? I found for you now. Yeah, man, make sure you have everything ready, you know. Because we don't have no time for waste, you know, man. You know where you're going, you know. Don't know where you're going, man. Choppings are choppings, you know. You understand? Eh. Because what you know, man, me even have a girl for go link in the dark, I just say things that, you know. Yeah. Because Simona come from a foreign too, you know. But, you know Simone thing come down. When he come here, I want full attention. You understand? Yeah, that's how you go. Alright, I'm so far, man. I say 40. Alright.
I just one time we have last night. Come back in a bit now. Oh yeah, move so babes, come now.
No, come on, man. Listen, man. You have to understand. We have to get the money. We have to make some money.
You never have no worry for time with you. I just want one time you give me last night and you're gone.
Really?
I don't even know if you come back for now neither.
Listen, come back, man. What are you talking about, man?
I say you do it all the while, man.
Look how we had so much fun last night. Look. And this you're drinking, huh?
And you alone drink half that?
No, you drink this.
I must never remember.
This year, half of this I drink. You understand?
Boy, can't believe you really are going to leave me.
Give me. Listen to
me.
Hey, listen. I have to make money for we. Just work with the plan,
me understand. So you come back later?
Soon come back, man. As
you say you always tell me now.
Listen, night of occasion, out of road, fine. But listen, you're vowed it has been done.
And you give me some time tonight
what
again?
You mean, man?
Make sure you give me
I guess what now? Remember say you buy me this sign?
Coming out.
Remember say you buy me this?
Yeah, I know say I did buy you that this.
Alright.
Make sure you come later.
I'll come later.
Love you.
Alright, love you here?
Yeah.
You cook?
Yeah, me I cook.
You sure?
Me I cook what you want?
Surprise me.
Alright, me I surprise you. No worry yourself.
Alright, so later. I have the shoes, the box say, you know? Much me up.
Later.
Later,
I'm going to relax a little bit.
Alright.
Yeah. Candy.
What one?
You say you missing me a call link.
Yeah, what one? You good?
Yeah, as usual. I don't see your fan when me say me a call link.
Oh, sit down, yes, man. You can sit down, man.
I know that, man. So I go on.
And you fit tell me. You say you can link me, so that means you have something to say to me. Me I listen.
I say, so come like a stale news because I tell you, I don't know if you tell you say, but my husband was mischievous way. I tell you.
So hold on there. A long time something go on between you and your husband, this running in and running out thing like room for rent supply within. I don't understand. No. That means you not live good.
The other day I noticed him buy everything for your house now. Buy food, buy everything, but he not give me no time. He just come in, go out. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say again.
So you just pay bills and buy food and to make sure so you're not hungry,
yeah,
but
make
in
sure
gone.
alright, but he just say him a go work.
So the TLC no did it.
No,
You need little
sir.
attention, I understand.
When he come in, he just go sleep. One little time he give me another so last night alone. Man.
One time, I not wait so long.
One time, I tell him say, if he can come back and stay with me, he must say him have to
Ashley.
go to work.
Ashley, are your husband that you know? You claim that you know? You know make a commitment together, you know, in front of man and God. I don't understand. What you mean?
Well,
You
I wonder.
type up your mouth. And listen. Anytime you see man and behave, so especially your husband, girl, go down pandemic
And pray.
and pray.
That's true.
You hear what me say?
That me a go
Because the devil in wicked, you know, likes it. Let me tell you something. The devil don't like to see when two person
I live good.
make a commitment, and they live their life like how God want them to live.
That's true.
So, one thing me I tell you to do. Go down pan them two knees where God give you and pray and see if God not answer your prayer and look if he not change. Sometimes, let me tell you something.
Man, I go for me and pray because I can't bother with every meeting. Just a come and I go and he not give me no time. But one time if you tell
And he
him,
not have to give no money, no. He not have to keep no woman with you. And him can they do it too. I not pick up fee because guess what? The whole away a woman. And from you say you love your husband. You love him. Because if me have my husband, me don't love him to the fullest. And my man have to give me attention. You mad? Because me don't give him all
I
life.
tell lie still. My husband love me just like how I love him. And me no feel say I give me no bun. You know?
Shh. You see that word they love? Be careful how you say it. Here? Because you have some man with loyal, trustworthy, down to earth and straightforward. You understand?
Yeah,
When know about the
true.
real love. You have some man, they say they love you.
And
Yes,
they no love you.
they might show you love, yes, but they no loyal.
No.
So you have to know about you and your husband relationship. Me not tell us if you left your husband. But you see me, I am a loyal woman. And I have a loyal man in my life. You understand?
That's nice.
So, no man can tell us that they love you 100% and they love you more than infinity until eternity. And then they still keep woman with you outside. It's not right. He don't love you like him like your spirit. His spirit take you.
I don't even know if it's right now. He have me head going.
Nobody mad. Oi. Me say good on pan your knee. Nobody mad over no man. Good on pan your knee. If you love your husband like that for true, and God sees you love him and he love you, although the devil will make him do things, if him do it, me don't know. God will bring you back together just like the same day when you did me.
You know, see, you're right, Candy. I go down pan me and pray because...
You better you do it. What you want me to do till you figure walk up upon him, man?
No, I don't do that, man. No be upon him. But me just go down pan me and pray and ask God to help me and help him because I don't know.
In a relationship, not relation, what me call it now, our friendship, not that. In a relationship between you and your partner, prayer for night. And then you will see how God work.
If prayer and night trouble, always a good.
Then how you think say you and your husband will get along now, my love, if you do not pray?
True.
You have to pray.
Like I said, true, other day me kind of cut back on my praying for true, you know. Like, me nah pray, me nah pray.
And that you do. That's why the devil intervene in our life. No, Mr. Why him a go in and a come out, a go in and a come out, and you are say the man mischievous. You allow the devil in our life. Let me tell you something. Man is the head of the house. You know, read the Bible. But woman is the neck. They cannot perform without us. So, if you turn his head, we neck off the pan feed head.
As I go back in my room, I go just take up my Bible and start read and pray.
You better.
I fast, not even eat no food because...
Since I just say you love your husband like that, if you keep you together, only thing I can tell you is to pray. Me not tell you figure out no obi and no science because that is not good. That means say you go intervene and inveigle the devil in your life worse. If you don't want him and feel if you go to one different man, do not follow none of your friend them. Your dirty friend them.
Especially none of them because they waste time.
Listen, because you always do that when you talk about your husband, you know. You not listen to me. Right, you attack me attack. You feel listen when me I say. That's why you're confused and forgot to pray. You see that girl when me see her name about in the little short, sexy one, where always dress up and a cock up in body so in the hair like a man, she dey look everywhere she go. That little girl there, be careful of her. Hey, I'm a good girl.
I'm not no friend, you know. She just love come carry news.
You're not no friend?
No.
Where is it?
Me not no friend. She just love come call me and tell me about people business. Me not no
You know, say every time I pass, I see the two of birds of a feather flock together. Careful of where they do. Maybe that girl a cause your husband to stay away from you. Because I know your husband long time, you know.
I wonder if you say my dress up all the while. I notice you have some like batty rider, belly skin. I wonder if you must me husband or not.
Girl,
tell me husband.
When your husband, let me ask you one question. When your husband just meet you, you did dress up nice? You used to dress up nice before you meet your husband?
Me dress up nice, but not like a she. Not me nice pants
well,
so.
See how you did find yourself sexy and you look attractive to your husband. You better dress the same way because you know what some of we women do? We used to dress up and look hot. And from we get a husband, we know bother sexy up and look nice again. You know what you do? Go on the road, go and look sexy, girl. You better be careful of what you do.
Some of them girls dress up to take with people, man. But
so what you want to say, Jada, they dress up to take with your husband?
Something about that girl, me just can't trust her. I not even know if I'm there with my husband. But me go find out if she there with my husband. Because if she there with my husband, she not go like you know. She not go like me. I tell her say a hell and powder house with me and her. I say yes, me not deal with her, you know. And she ever come at me yard and come tell me about people business, you know. But me not want her, but in time she come back and me I run her.
Ashley, me not tell no lie, no. I no bash me, they bash you. You look like you love you mix up too, because every time me pass, me see you and her. So she they carry the news to you and you they taking it. So no wonder why your leader if you take away your man from you. Because she see you like the company. Yeah.
I just because I love too much friend and company. Like me turn up with him and a chat. You know see another thing really a come about. He ma come about for me man. And me man he ma come about to look for me man because he want to take up me man.
But look here, you're not a little pitney, you know. So since you come here so you realize that the girl can use to you if you take away your man, get up and go along your yard. Me dey on my phone.
Later, yeah, man,
Me
because
come on,
I
me
go
can't
prayer
bother.
and read my Bible. Yeah,
You
man.
better do it. Right now
Can't
you
take it no
disturb me. Me did they look sitting on my phone.
Can't take this yet, it's a problem.
Sorry for you. You have to learn to hold your man and not make no girl take him away.
Now worry myself, man.
Yo, brother, I'm tell you something, right?
What sounds like that?
Brother, this is how can I work out for me now, man.
What do you mean?
Because you know, you said me stay as a Bamson. You see, even now when I drop you off, this is money what me have, you know. A girl money that you know. This is just figure link a girl and give man and make you feel good, brother.
Bro, wait, we really have to things. Yo, we are make serious money, you know. Not even teacher and them people who work in the government make free money and make every night, you know.
Brother, that's not enough. That's not enough. If even the government them make money more than what teacher make, and them still a thief money. So what about me? Me can't live like government too.
Brother, we are hustler and we are criminal. See, all tonight we are very same. It's the same thing.
The only difference with free criminal is not white collar criminal business.
Brother, so what you really have to do? Come on,
what me I say is, we need to have a better plan to make more money. You see me? Because even you know, you tell me what to do, you know. But you don't really tell me the story if you do.
Alright, here we go. What we can do is this. I remember say, when a man make a plan, we dissect a plan, and we take both money and the goods. You understand me I say? So, about how the system, how the thing work out. Right now, this money for me can balance me till next week, and next week you have a bigger hit to deal with. Now the hit you have to give me $5 million each. You understand me I say? But remember me, me not like you going like you want to kill the
Yo, listen to me now, brother. Listen to me now. Brother, we need to get out of them situation. You see me? We fear take money, enough like how them take money from even man like Bolt, brother. We fear get some money. We need fear take no money from no athlete, but we fear grab some billions of dollars.
We're not
Before you
going
drop
to... Listen, man, we're not going to that category yet. Take your time, man. Creep before you can walk, man. One
Brother, me a creep. Me stop creep from your picnic, brother. Me
Look,
stop creep.
you just buy your BMW. See? You just buy your big old 2-story house. Me just there so buy my apartment and thing. Me have my woman, my wife, we are miserable and sick because I guess I know she don't really understand. She don't know what I do, you know?
Yeah, but anyways, yo, here what I go now. What I go do here, though? Me I go do, me I do.
Yo, what you gonna do?
Me have a girl figure link, brother.
You have a girl for the link?
Yeah.
You have a girl for the link. You know, who don't know if you look girl? You? Sure, can't make sure say there's nothing wrong here. See? Alright.
Everything now.
Respect our manners, you know. So next week Thursday, we're ready again.
Everything
See?
good, man.
Alright.
Just be careful and look out your ear, brother. I mean, we tell you, more money we need, you know. We don't need a little chicken change.
Alright, bro.
Chicken change.
Careful.
You see a big chop go on now. A big chop in, so go on. Billions of dollars. US money.
Alright,
think
Mr.
I know
US.
pound or no chicken feed.
Take your time.
US money.
Alright, my
yeah,
man.
US. Yo. Oh, wait there. Dog, you know some should listen to you, dog. Big man thing, I should listen to you, my youth. Should even know. Watch out now. Me end up a link a girl, see? I don't know, say, when we go there, me end up the girl have a man did a brother I try to take me for fool. And then the boy I come try give me tough chat and you know how it go play out from that one, brother. And that go on. Right now, sure even know that I feel messed up, brother. So that me I tell us, man, I should listen to your dog, cause watch out, man. End up him dead plus she dead, brother. Right now, I want motel. Me end up there, you know. Want motel. I can't go on me hard, brother. Cause police are look for me. But anyways, may we chat. Me send them my location and I'm ready for meet up again. Zine? Alright.
Buy a drink over that shop there.
Hey, what go on? You remember me?
Yeah, of course I remember you. You think alright?
You take my number for souvenir, do?
No. Nothing like that. Here I go on. Just some business we have to start out and the time just will run up on me. You understand me I say? But
Seems like you're not interested in me.
no, I'm not interested. I must go link you because I like your vibe, your energy, you know what I mean? But
I bet say the same big belly boy there.
no man, not like that, not like that. Hold on. 1 second, yeah? 1 second. Hello?
Yo, public. Yo, con link, con link, run, son.
Where you say that?
The same place, man. And I'm Mango Tree. Ah.
Alright, me a fall right now. Right now, me a fall. Yeah? Why speak of the devil? But here, you drink something?
Yeah.
Buy something, man. Buy something nice shop and thing. Yeah? And thing. You want me to forget you. You're me soon call you. But don't forget. Alright? So me still interested. Alright. Bro, man, I sleep so first here. Brother. You fast move, come check it. Yo! What with them, man? So for the time you call me, just drop asleep, bro. Huh?
Jano, dog, where you going with?
How you can tell me? Yo. Brother, I want you to get yourself in. Because you call me, bro. Me have a piece of joke you make. Because when you shout me think say you're a jovial person. You see you so just realize it's a serious thing. So how that really happen? How explain to me.
Brother, now the old man, they know say the man have a like a rusty gun for a long time.
What are the money go check or you money go check?
Brother, we are talking about. No more see woman me go check, brother. But
Oh.
check, man, brother.
No, I don't matter that, but me I say maybe I some come say you go do a little roast. Some don't know if I have more money or more business you have to deal with.
It's a little birdie tell me say. He say yo then just come in from England and they have money for it. So I go over there and stay as a Bamson and go in their house. Not knowing say the little old England boy. They still have a little 38 for a long time. So I pull out it. So you know say me not take no check for no old boy, you know. You see me? So as I have to do me that. The woman did it, so me not let no.
Jeez, that me a talk about my lord. And me work together, you know. No man is an island, no man stands alone. Cause if me went there, that you know that wouldn't happen. But me never like what you feel like so you want to kill the youth from full roast. You understand me I say?
Tell you man, right now I think that's a problem.
What with you?
Not the people that do that problem. The problem is right now we just want to fly out, brother. We just want a link we can just fly out and go to Mexico and go across the border. So that's everybody have to do.
Yo, just lay low sometimes. Lay low, cause me understand this thing fresh. You know, police system, guys, them not gonna really get hot by your trail yet, cause you don't know anything.
Some feel like saying that you're not going to take me serious, brother.
Brother.
I know some feel like saying not take me things serious, brother.
What are you talking
I
about?
call you over here, brother, for your opportunity to let us know. What you want me to do? Can there until one day
Alright. So you call me. Alright. Explain to me what go on. Tell me your plan.
Brother, it's obvious me call you over here says after some money big, brother.
So
look much things me do for you, brother.
but brother, the money we work the same night there. And $1 million you get it done already? Where money gone? Come here get one little link to say, yo, which way you live right now? Cause you buy one house and then me here say another house say you live. I want to sell the house.
Brother, you know, some feel like say I do too much talking to brother.
Me born,
I do too much talking to you.
And they say gone, brother, me a friend, you know.
I mean if they say gone.
Brother, me a friend. Look where you come from. I just want to know say alright, bro. What you talking about?
Brother,
Man, draw a gun for me, star.
give me some money, brother.
Me not the money, man. No, yo. Can't have this here, come. Alright, you want to go? You know me have money for me. That's why you can't go over. Not even for me help you, but you just want money.
Brother, I just saw you think, brother. Brother. Come on, give me everything, man. Come on, you feel like say, yo. I just saw
brother, I just say I take it. Look how much years we have the food business, brother. Me's a youth, what if you were real, because right now the money I have to do something, you know. Why if right now, I go wonder why I can't deal all the bills this month. Because we have a plan.
Brother, let me tell you this. You say if you do great, no, brother, you don't look out for me.
What me not look out for you, bro?
That's what you want to follow me, you know.
What
So
you mean?
just know, say, I just say things, say, just hold it. Boom! I just say things, say, man, nobody feel no way.
Brother!
Just don't follow me. Just don't follow me. If you don't see me, just know say me they are foreign. Just know say me they are foreign if you don't see me. You hear? Yo, a flesh wound that the man, just you're gonna recover. But if you don't see me, they are foreign. You don't cross the border.
What? You get shot? Who shoot you? Lord Jesus, your friend? Him shoot you? Can't believe this. Where you there? Me I come right now. God know. Candy.
What's on?
Just shoot my husband up the road. Me I beg you drop up there, please.
What you just say? What happened? What happened? What can I say? Come in my vehicle. Come around so. Come around so contact to me.
Jesus.
Where you say now? Where you say
Shoot my husband just call me and tell me so then shoot him up the road. And me just run out of the house and say me I go up there. To me see you, me stop here and say me I beg you drop to go up there.
So you know about dead?
Drive the vehicle now.
To an emergency.
Jesus. Oh God.
Don't worry yourself, man. Everything good. You know about dead. I say road nobody now can't drive too fast right there, so we make it out for you. You know?
Now me then shoot my husband now. My husband could have do them, me then shoot my husband now. Go up there, up there.
Up the road. Alright. Just stop me when you.
Yeah, we're reaching and stop.
Yeah, man.
The road just bad, no. That girl, do up here, so. Tap me there, Candy, tap me there. What you do up here?
I'm telling you, man.
Me notice that anywhere wrong do is there, they always there, you know. Me don't chat, you know. You don't give me no chat, I'm licking your face now. You bad? You know, bad girl, tap talk. Me ask her where you do up here, so for my husband up here, I'll hear it, you know. Cause you know, sir, I don't want no girl near my husband.
Oi. And this a come out? You come to come warn a woman over one man or you come to come attend to your husband? Right now you're not even know if your husband dead. Girl, where you take me off from a mission and come up here, so where your man there?
Which husband?
Where your husband?
You know my husband, because you're the top come on me yard, come carry people name to me.
Stop go down in the details right now. Where the man the way you say get shot at him
Which one get shot?
I'm not don't confuse me. What not confuse
You know what, Candy, come on, me go look for my husband. Come tell you, say, why?
So me and your husband come up here so not too long, so you get shot.
My husband, yeah, man, come here, don't bother.
Girl, wait for me where you walk. I'm not even know where you come. Go you there and come in there and go left me.
Yeah man, so if you watch the video to the end, I want to say thank you very much. We love and appreciate the fact that you guys been showing the support, and we can't say too much about the persons that were not showing the support. We just go and watch the video the same way. And for the persons that were sometimes when they make some little negative comment, the fact that you want to watch, we appreciate that just the same, because you don't know each person will watch help it increase the watch time and all the other good things. And for the persons that will reach out to us, make we know on Instagram, say we love what we are doing for the person that contribute. We appreciate that too. Keep on doing the right thing. Them share it up on all of the platform them. But we need to get to share. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, do the right thing.
One knows you alright, bro. What you talk about?
Brother,
Man, draw a gun for me, star.
give me some money, brother.
Me not the money, man. Yo. Can't have this for yourself, come to. Alright, here we go. You know me have money for me. That's why you call me over. Not even for me help you, but you just want money.
Brother, I just saw a thing, sir, brother. I just saw a thing, sir, brother. Put on the phone.
Me a laugh, hold on. Yo. Brother. Say, yo, what you talking about?
Brother, what you talk about? No more see woman me go check, brother. Ever see me
Oh.
go check, man, brother?
No, I don't matter that, but me I say maybe some, come and say you gotta do a little roast. Some don't know if I have more money or more business you
Brother,
have to deal with.
it's a little birdie tell me say,
Mm.
them just flying from England and they have money for them. What was it again?
And this really come to.
Brother, just give me money, brother. Come on, give me everything, to man. Come on, you feel like say, yo. I just say
Brother, at this say I take it. Look how much years with the food business, brother. Me as a youth, what if you were real, because right now the money I have to do something, you know. Why if right now I go wonder why I can't do all the bills this month. Because we have a plan.
brother, let me tell you this. You say if you did great, my brother, you don't look out for me.
What me not look out for you, bro? Look for me surroundings.
Brother, I feel like say, yo, you see you right now, brother. Let me show you this. No.
You that too? Come on, this is the fast one. Ready?
Right. Yeah, I'm telling you this. I have to make you want you follow me, you know. So
What do you mean?
Just know, say, I just say things, say, just hold this up.
Boom!
I just say things, say, man, nobody feel no way.
Brother.
Just don't follow me. Just don't follow me. If you don't see me, just know, say me they are foreign. Just know, say me they are foreign if you don't see me, you hear? You just cross the border. If you don't see me.
Wrong, you know, get me husband. Stand up and look, man.
Yeah.
Action.
You want to know girl near my husband? After you lick in your face, I go on like,
Oi. Are this a come out? Oi, no. You have to sit back here.
oh yeah.
Action.
Oi. Are this a come out? You come to come warn a woman over one man or you come to come attend to your husband? Right now, you're not even know if your husband dead. Girl, where you take me off from a mission and come up here? So where your man there?
Which husband?
Where your husband?
You know my husband, for you not top come on me yard, come carry people name to me.
Stop go down in the details right now. Where the man the way you say get shot at?
Which man get shot? I'm
You don't confuse me. What not confuse
you
me
know
for?
what, Candy, come on, me go look me husband. Come tell you say. Why?
So now me and your husband turn up here so not too long, so you get shot.
What not talk about? I don't know.
I'm going to hospital now, Candy. Me have to go down to hospital. Then take him up and carry him to hospital. Then see only one shot he get.
Ready and action.
No, it's alright. Ready?
Ready or action.
Brother, cause you see even now when me drop you off, this is money what me having. So I just figure link a girl and give man and make you feel good, brother.
Wait, what you really said to me? Say, yo, we are make serious money, you know. Not even, yo, not even teacher and them people who are working at government, make free money and make every night, you know.
Brother, that's not enough. That's not enough. If even the government them make money more than what teacher make, and if them still a thief money. So what about me? Me can't live like government too.
Brother, we are hustler and we are criminal. See, all tonight we are very same. It's the same thing. You understand
All
what
the
I say?
difference with free criminal is not white collar criminal business.
Brother, so what you really have to me? Come on,
What me I say is, we need to have a better plan to make more money. Isn't it? Because even you know, you tell me some, you tell me what to do, you know. But you don't really tell me the story what to do.
Alright, you are man. What we can do is this. I remember say, when a man make a plan, we dissect the plan, and we take both money and the waste. You understand what I say? So, but how the system, how the thing will work out. Right now, this money for me can balance me till next week, when next week can go on.
Yeah, you comfortable with that?
Pick up with every day again. You know, so a while ago, I feel like you say, you think you sound like a bolt money, you say you take it up. You say, that one bolt money, you think that you say.
Oh, him?
It's not a bolt money, it's a boat money.
Hello? Yo. Yeah. Yo, public, how are you there? Yeah, you may account check you now, you know.
Ready. Marina, just take a time, man, and know your thing, man. I just say things set, you know. Doesn't me? Yeah, man. Everybody around us have to make sure so we get money, you know. Anybody not give me nothing, man. You must say one day, not live over there. Yeah, so you're going. I mean, for some, you're going. Say you move. All the old boy up there, so have it.
General.
Where the pan you?
I'm there going with the talk. Where you beat Magnum?
You know where you're going now.
The same thing, I'm on. Magnum there, but yeah. But you know my style.
So where you move, sir, brother? You just run in, so you move, sir.
Where if you know pressure life, just step on me, answer.
Pressure life, brother. You can't live a Jamaican and have pressure life and get a problem, brother. When mount up, brother. You want to do something? You want to go do something?
Oh, yourself.
No, my youth, you be tappy, you know, you be tappy.
Bernard, you
tappy.
Bernard, just watch out, man, young people time, you know. Yes, me, I say.
You line up your work already?
Eh?
Think line up the work, line up for later on?
Everything line up already, brother. I'm going to tell you, man, from celebrate, from me tell you one time, I don't need to tell you again, brother. You know that.
Alright.
You know that. Now make me tell you again.
That more here.
You understand? Bernard, that's them money. Them money, me grow them, you know. Yeah.
What go on there?
Good evening.
Good evening.
You know, some know you from down, sir?
I work. I'm happy I work again.
Damn DM.
And come home, I have to work
No mind
again.
me all a piece here there. Watch me every minute. Sure.